now sources in the Delhi government have indicated to NDTV that bars will open in Delhi from the 9th of September. The Kejriwal government's proposal has been approved by the Lieutenant Governor, and after this order, liquor can be served in pubs, bars, restaurants and hotels in Delhi, of course, within SOPs that will be laid down. Sukirti Trivedi, who's breaking the details of the story for us this evening, is joining me on the broadcast. Sukirti, what more information do you have at the moment?
Well, yes, this is what we've learned from sources that at bars, restaurants and hotels from the 9th of September, liquor distribution will be allowed, liquor sale will be permitted. All of these past months it was shut, and it was making a big impact on the revenue of all of these traders and businessmen. Recently, we covered a story on how restaurants across Delhi are shutting down. Many of them are suffering huge losses. And that's when Sanjeev Mehra, the president of the Khan Market Association, had pointed out to us that it is a big factor that no liquor sale is being permitted across the restaurants and pubs of all of these markets, that the business is getting affected. He said that we are hoping that the government will take a decision soon, and that would be a big relief to us. So the order is likely to be made official in some time, is what we've learned. But it is going to bring a big respite for people who've been suffering business losses in many of these restaurants and hotels that have not been able to function properly.
So, Kirti, it's interesting that you're reporting on these developments, and while, of course, yes, it's going to bring relief to many in the hospitality sector, many who've not been able to open their restaurants because they actually operate restaurants and bars. So relief to many of those individuals and to the sector at large. But the big question is, it's very interesting the timing at which this is happening, because we're reporting the single biggest spike in Delhi in terms of the number of cases, over 2,500 cases being reported for the first time in 2 months. And, it is in the light of that these developments are actually very interesting, Sukirti.
Well, absolutely, Rishika. This raises a similar kind of questions that we were raising in the month of May and June, when there was a huge spike in cases, and despite that, we saw the Delhi government allowed liquor sale at several liquor shops, saying that we faced a lot of revenue losses, and at these licensed shops, we should be allowing liquor sale because revenue losses need to be resolved, and that is why they had started the sale of liquor at these shops. But there were hundreds and hundreds of people that had lined up over there. We went to cover all of these, and there was no social distancing at all. So those questions remain, but the government stuck to its decision.
And do we have, I know this is, right, and I know this is preliminary information, you're learning it from your sources within the Delhi government at the moment, but Sukirti, you very interestingly point out those long queues that one saw when liquor stores were finally allowed to open, and one hopes that similar scenes will not repeat themselves outside bars in Delhi. Do we have any clarity on what the SOPs are going to be like?
Well, yes, there may be regulated hours only during which liquor sale will be permitted, because that is something that the central government and the Delhi government, all the governments at this point of time are looking at, that everything has to be done in a graded manner. Even though we are opening up, everything has to be done only to a limited extent. So it may be allowed only for a specific number of hours. Also, the seating still in across restaurants and pubs is only about 50%. Seating is allowed at this point of time. So those norms will also have to be complied with.
Okay, very interesting, because the devil, of course, lies in those details. Remember, there were many restaurant owners who had actually spoken to NDTV when restaurants had opened, saying that the new rules make it untenable financially for them to reopen their restaurants. But now, of course, bars opening in Delhi. Interesting timing as well, at a time when we're seeing a spike in cases. Appreciate you, Sukirti, for joining us.